Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make the easiest and quickest kheer you can possibly make, Shemige Paisa. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this instant paisa recipe. So let's get started. Pour about 2 cups of milk in your boiling vessel. Boil milk on a medium flame. Once the milk starts boiling, lower the flame and add sugar. Let the sugar dissolve and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. While it simmers, let's preheat our non-stick pan on a low flame and add some ghee. To this, add some cashew nuts and raisins. Fry these cashew nuts and raisins for not more than a minute and keep it aside. Now add vermicelli to the same pan. Fry vermicelli until it turns brown. Check out the description box below to know some tips before preparing this kheer. By the time the vermicelli is roasted, our milk is perfectly simmering. Gently pour the simmering milk into the pan of vermicelli. Add a pinch of cardamom powder for the flavor. Add the roasted nuts and raisins and let it continue simmering. Simmer kheer on a low flame for 2 minutes more and your Sevaiya kheer, Shemige Paisa, is ready. You can serve it hot or cold. It tastes delicious either ways. I hope you like this recipe and you'll try it as well. And don't forget to share it with your friends. If you've tried any of my recipes, share it on Instagram and tag me there. Links to all my social medias are provided in the description box below. Check it out. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.